In this video, we will learn how to alter multiple ledger in Tally Prime in a single window. To do so, we have to go to Chart of Accounts from Gateway of Tally. Under Chart of Accounts, we have to select Ledgers. After selecting Ledgers, we have to go to Multi-Master by pressing Alt-H. Here, we have to select Multi-Alter. After selecting Multi-Alter, it will ask us for group that we wish to alter. Here we can select all item, or you can select any particular group like this. Here if you select all items, then it will show you the ledgers of all the groups. Here for example, we have to change the name of this ledger like ABCD and Co. Also, if we wish to change the group, we can change it here, and if we wish to change the opening balance also, we can change it here like this. So using this option, we can change any ledger from Tally.